Yes, guys, I also had similar thoughts. The bus is not going to Goa, unfortunately. The bus is going from Goa to Aurangabad via Pune. So I took the bus from Pune and I'm heading towards Aurangabad now.
Hello, it's me Madhuritu. Welcome to my channel.
So guys, I am here at Hostel, which is much heard about, and this is in Aurangabad. I loved it. The room is vacant right now. This is the bed where I'm going to stay in.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله.
So guys, this is quite a famous place of Aurangabad. It is known as Panchakki. You can see, how old it is. There are a lot of gates in this city, and that's why the city is famous for. Not going to show you the so-called bridge because it's sort of drained now, and the water flows through is looks like dirty. But yeah, this place is quite unusual. I haven't been to such places. Apparently, this used to be the water mills, which you can see, and there's this huge banyan tree, and I don't know what it is, but yeah, feels good to be in places which are quite old.
Okay, time for voiceover, guys. This place has a court, madrasa, house of a minister, a mosque, a sarai, and houses which are dedicated to the females. Such clear water, as you can see. Also, this banyan tree is more than 300 years old. Can you imagine?
Now we are at Bibika Maqbara. Thank you. So guys, I have never been to such a quiet historical monument. Here I am at Bibika Maqbara, and it's so vacant at this moment that I'm literally enjoying the view, the place, the scenery and everything. So yes, this is Bibika Maqbara for you from Aurangabad. It's quite empty today. There are not many tourists visiting in here, and it looks lovely as you can see on the screen.
It's also known as replica of Taj Mahal, mini Taj Mahal or Taj Mahal of the poor people, or even as Dakhani Taj for its striking similarities.
सुनो ना संगमरमर की ये मीनारे कुछ भी नहीं है आगे तुम्हारे राज तुम्हारा.
So, after singing my heart out, which I didn't do on the camera because I'm little conscious while singing on camera, but yeah, I did. Then I started enjoying the weather, which was actually enhancing the elegance of this historical monument.
This is the interior of Bibika Maqbara.
Interesting fact, this was built somewhere in the 17th century by Azam Shah, who's the son of Aurangzeb, in the memory of his mother, Rabia Uddaurani.
Yay!
Can't tell you guys how much I enjoy solo traveling. So there was this gentleman who was kind enough to offer me rotis so that I could provide those to the fishes, and I fed the fishes too.
Hi guys, so here I am at Suneri Mahal, which is in Aurangabad, and I'm going to feed the fishes with some roti. थोड़ा लो
ये लग काटना
ठीक है. Thank you. Alright guys, so here I am at Suneri Mahal and look who I met. Mr.
नवीद पटेल
So he is apparently a TikTok star and he prepare reels and videos. So please do follow him and do subscribe to my channel. What's it?
So this TikTok star approached me to feature on his reels, like a lot of it, on Instagram. He posted those videos as well and got millions of likes. And to my utter surprise, he didn't tagged me to any of those
basically,
videos.
Suneri Mahal is the museum, regional museum of archaeology in Aurangabad, Maharashtra, where some chief secretary or someone of Aurangzeb have established his stuffs in here, something like that. My mind is not working right now, but yeah, that's that. Suneri Mahal it is, and the Suneri sun. Ow! Quite scorching, huh? Guys, this is Goga Baba Ki Tekri. It's quite a huge track, quite a long track, but right now I don't have time, so I'm not gonna go upstairs. But looks very adventurous and very beautiful. Probably next time. So guys, this beautiful place is known as Aurangabad Leni or Aurangabad Caves, and it is located little outskirt of Aurangabad, and look at the view, it is breathtaking, and it's quite not crowded. Probably I'm the only tourist here, so it's adding more beauty to this particular place. Oh, this particular shrub is quite thorny, have to be careful. And yes, beautiful, isn't it?
So if you're fond of heritage, you will absolutely love this rock cut caves depicting Buddhism. And I couldn't record entirely as my camera was completely exhausted by then.
Welcome to the city of Gate. This is Salim Ali Garden, which is also quite famous in Aurangabad.
By that time, I was starving, so I head out for lunch as well as snacks, although I was snacking in between.
Guys, this is Himayat Bagh. It's completely dense, quite a nice place to be at, but you require, certain time to be here and enjoy the place. Basically, these are the remains from the era of Aurangzeb, where you can find a lot of gardens and greenery all around. So quite a nice place. I loved it. It's the photo that we get to see on Google when we type Mayad, and I like it. It's nice, it's beautiful. I'm enjoying it, especially the lush green scenery out here and the remains of Mughal Empire, of course. Dense jungle, and it's me, no one else.
My whole clan and my parents are all disciples of Sri Ramakrishna Paramhans, Swami Vivekanand and Ma Sharda, so it was mandatory for me to visit there. So guys, that's how I wrapped up my day at the City of Lakes under 2000 rupees. Well, do connect with me for more travel stories on Instagram. Link shared below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao.